Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable live captions in Google Chrome. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then select mo na yung tatlong 3 dot icon, so click mo lang siya. And then next icon na mo lang, select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung accessibility. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa accessibility, makikita mo kaagad dito yung live captions. Okay? So automatically creates captions for English audio and video, audio and captions. Never leave your device kapag naka-enable ito. Okay? So kung paano ba ito enable or disable, makikita mo dito yung button niya and then kailangan mo lang itong enable. So i-click mo lang ganyan. And then automatic mga kaibigan, speech files downloaded. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong button niya and then ganyan lang po siya mga kaibigan. So napakasimple lang talaga. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable ang live captions in Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.